At least that's what I was told by somebody who had been a successful industry executive for more than 20 years. Now, as a PhD myself, one who's built a pretty successful career in industry, my first thought was, bullshit, that's not true at all. But I had to admit, I've heard similar sentiments. I've talked to a number of industry managers who've expressed concerns about hiring PhDs, but I'd certainly never heard it stated in such a blunt fashion. So I wanted to know what was behind such a blunt comment. Here's what I was told. 3 reasons. First, they think they're smarter than everyone else they're working with. Second, they always find fault, not solutions. And third, they always want to keep analyzing the problem and never make a decision and move forward. Well, I had to admit, I have worked with PhDs that have some of those bad habits. Heck, at times, I've been guilty of it myself. Turns out there's a bit of a stereotype in industry about PhDs. They're highly valued for their technical skills, but they're also known for some habits they pick up in academia that can make them hard to work with. And like I said, I had to acknowledge I've been guilty of some of that myself. So I realized this was a great opportunity to think about my own work habits and think about what I could do and find out what doesn't work so you can find out what does. I think that's really important, and that's something I try and keep in mind when I'm at work. If you want to be the kind of PhD that your manager rewards and promotes, rather than the kind of PhD who frustrates their manager, follow these 3 simple guidelines. First, be effective, not just smart. Second, find solutions, not faults. Third, be decisive, not perfect. Industry doesn't want scholars. Industry needs solutions. Make sure that you are part of the solution, and you won't end up with a manager who says all PhDs are worthless.